Hey, Chick babes and Furbabies, happy. Oh, I did hit my head. Happy Friday, and I am so excited because I am doing my what? First Chick babes and Furbaby boutique unboxing. Yes, unboxing my own brand. Yes, that's what we're doing today. Now, all of you know that I love home fragrances, and y'all know my favorite fragrance is none other than, let's see what, I am so excited. Yes, I am my first customer. That's right. If I don't buy my product, who's the best to show off your product but you? I am. Okay, look, y'all. I am so excited. I am so excited to share this with y'all. Look. Okay. And here we go. Oh, I am so excited. Okay, y'all. Look. That's my brand, Chic Babes. So y'all go to the Chic Babes and Furbaby boutique.myshopify.com and purchase you a nice scented candles. We have at least 15 different scents, at least that. My favorite, this is lavender. Ooh, yeah, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, Ooh, this smells so good. Y'all have to, y'all hit it up. Hit it up, okay? Chick Babes. It smells so good. So y'all go to the site and purchase yourself something. And even if you don't purchase yourself something, you all leave your email. That way when new products is uploading, you will have that information. Now, my store is Shopify, and I use Printify. So yes, I'm into the digital world. And I really like it because, now I bought this for myself, okay? So that's why you see this product in front of me. But the way Printify work is that you connect Printify with your store, whether it be Shopify, Etsy, or whomever. And Printify has a list of vendors to choose from, okay? And whatever product you are interested in creating, put it in the search bar and start creating your logo. Just like my logo is Chic Babes and also Chic Furbabies. Okay, and once I print it out on a candle or whatever, it automatically connects to my Shopify store. That way, when my customers are shopping, all y'all have to do is click on what you want, and they are printing your order on demand. Print on demand. Yes. Now, the next thing that I purchased is, I am so excited, y'all. And I was in there working. I was just in there working. And one thing y'all have to understand, that having a business, you have to really get in there and do the work. Even if you do buy a course from someone, you're going to have to get in Shopify, Etsy, or whatever store you have and learn how to operate the system. Okay? Now, y'all, they have everything. Like I say, all you have to do is with Printify, is go into the search engine and search whatever product you're interested in, putting your brand on, and start creating. And so what we have here, oh yes, look, cell phone, look. I am so happy. Unboxing, this is a Chic Babes and Furbaby unboxing. Now, I have some more things coming I have the Chic Furbaby dog tags coming for Coco, and we are both going to get one of all of our products. Okay, I love my product. We have home decor. We have the wall clocks. We have the throw pillows. We have the blankets. We have the candles. We have so many things, and we have so many things. Just go to the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique.myshopify.com. And I want to give a shout out to my girl, Bougie Barbie. Yes, that's my birthday twin, August the 10th. We are Leos. I learned about Printify through her. Shout out to you, baby girl. So yes, okay. So y'all go in and do some shopping. Okay. I love this. I'm going to try this out in a minute. Yes. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos by Chic Babes and Chic Furbabies. Happy what? Happy Friday.